Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this video, we are evaluating logarithms. So let's start with the first question up there. Here we are going to use this law of exponents that says a to the power m, the nth root of that gives us a to the power m over n. So we're just going to use it on these terms that have root signs. Then we're going to have log 10 to the power 1 over 4, that's multiplying 10 to the power 1 over 3, multiplying 10 to the power 1 over 2. Now, at this stage, we are going to use this law of logarithms that says log ABC gives us log A plus log B, then plus log C. So we're just going to use it on this one. Then we're going to have log 10 to the power 1 over 4 plus log 10 to the power 1 over 3 plus log 10 to the power 1 over 2. Okay, now we're going to use again another law of logarithms that says log a to the power m is equal to m log a. So we're going to use it on that one. Then we're going to have 1 over 4 log 10 plus 1 over 3 log 10 plus 1 over 2 log 10. And now you know log 10 is equal to 1. So we are going to have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. And if you add those ones up, your common denominator is 12. Then you have 3 plus 4 plus, that's a 6 there. Then the answer is going to be 13 over 12. Then that part is finished. Now let's move on to the next part. The next part requires us to, that is B, requires us to evaluate 1,000, that's 10,000 to the power log 3. Now what you need to do is to express 10,000 in an exponential form. So if you express that in an exponential form, you're going to get 10 to the power of 4 log 3. And at this stage, we're going to use again this law of logarithms that we have here on this top part here. So we're going to have 10 to the power log 3 to the power of 4. And now we can use this other law of logarithms that says 10 to the power log, say x, 10 to the power log something, it's just going to give you x. Okay, so our answer here will be 3 to the power of 4, right? So therefore we say 10,000 to the power log 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. You can expand that further. You can just use a calculator to find this answer, but we are done with this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.